In this video, I will teach you how you can unlink your TikTok ads account from your TikTok ads business center. Now, let's assume that you have connected your business account that you want to use in running your ads to your TikTok business center, where you have your business settings on your business center account. And you don't want to use that particular ad account again. You want to link it to another account that you will use in running your ad. TikTok will request that you unlink it because you cannot link one TikTok account to multiple business centers. So they will request that you unlink it from the first one so that you can link it to this new one that you want to link it to. And in this video, I will show you how you can unlink it from the previous business center. That way, you can now link it to the new account you want to link it to. Without wasting time, let's dive in.
Open your TikTok app, click on your profile, click on menu, the three lines at the top right hand corner, click on settings and privacy, click on security and permissions, click on apps and service permissions. You will see TikTok Business Center here, and you also see TikTok for Business, depending on where you link your own. If you link it to TikTok Business Center, just click on it. If you link it to TikTok Business Center, then you will see on the TikTok Business Center there. But if you link it to TikTok for Business, that is that settings area, you will see TikTok for Business here. Wherever place you link it, click on it. It will take you here. Down below, you will see this remove all access. Click on remove all access and your TikTok account will be unlinked. You cannot go ahead to link it to the new one.